International news Sydney. The year's biggest full moon, known as Super Flower Moon, rose in the clear evening sky over the Sydney Opera House on Wednesday, to the delight of amateur photographers positioned just across the water to capture the moment. The moon was at the closest point to the Earth in its orbit, making it appear 7% larger and 50% brighter than normal. South Korea on Wednesday announced that people who have received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine will no longer be wearing masks outdoors starting in July, in an effort to encourage more people to get COVID-19 vaccine. National news. 14 states and union territories have reached a COVID 19 recovery rate of 90% and above. This is for every 100 confirmed cases, 90 have recovered. This is also significantly brought down the total active caseloads across the country to less than 26 lakh on Tuesday, from a peak of 36 lakh earlier this month. Hyderabad, and what could bring cheer to many people eagerly waiting for their second dose of vaccine. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Monday said that vaccination program will be taken up again from Tuesday. Vijayawada. Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy on Tuesday credited 1820.23 crores under YSR Free Crop Insurance Scheme into the bank accounts of 15.15 lakh farmers who lost their crops during last year's Kharif season. Getting a COVID 19 vaccination shot in such a bleak times can be a matter of joy, but sharing your COVID 19 vaccination certificate on social media can be a bad move. The certificate contains some crucial data that should not be in the public. So, the Government of India has issued a warning against sharing of certificates on social media. GMR Hyderabad Air Cargo has handled more than 11,000 oxygen concentrators and over 100 tons of COVID 19 vaccines so far, starting from May 1st. More than 11,500 units of oxygen concentrators has been brought into Hyderabad from access to the globe and from other cities in India. GHAC said that on Wednesday. Mask up, wash your hands, and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.